Want to turn your brilliant ideas into finished content, like yesterday? If you're a solo business owner, you know the struggle is real. Juggling everything means your content creation process can feel chaotic and slow. But what if I told you there's a way to build a content machine that practically runs itself? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on my personal AI-powered content workflow system. This system uses two powerful tools you probably already know: Notion and ChatGPT, to take you from a single idea to a month's worth of polished content, super fast. Seriously, this is the exact system that saves me hours every single week. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to build it for yourself. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the foundation of this whole system: Notion. Think of Notion as your digital command center. It's where every idea lives, breathes, and grows into a final piece of content. Forget scattered notes on your phone or random documents on your computer. We're creating one central hub. I call mine the Content OS. Inside this Content OS, I have a master database. This isn't as scary as it sounds. It's basically a smart table where each row is a single content idea. The magic is in the columns, or what Notion calls properties. Let me show you. For each idea, I have properties like status. Is it just an idea? Is it being scripted? Is it filmed? Or is it published? I also have a pillar property. This is crucial for staying on brand. My pillars are my main content categories like productivity, AI tools, and solo business systems. This ensures I'm not just creating random content. Everything ties back to my core message. Then there's a platform property to specify if it's for YouTube, Instagram, a blog, or a newsletter. And of course, a publish date. This setup gives me a bird's eye view of my entire content pipeline at a glance. I can see what's coming up, what's in progress, and where the gaps are. Now, how do we get those ideas into the system? This is where the capture phase comes in. Ideas strike anywhere. The key is to have a frictionless way to get them into your Notion database. I use the Notion mobile app. If I'm on a walk and an idea hits, I just open the app, add a new entry to my Content OS database, and type out the raw thought. It takes 30 seconds. The goal here is not to flesh it out, just to capture it before it disappears. No friction. This simple habit ensures you'll never say, "Ooh, what was that great idea I had yesterday?" again. Okay, so we have our ideas neatly organized in our Notion command center. Now what? It's time to bring in our AI assistant, ChatGPT. This is where we go from idea to actual, structured content. Let's say I want to create a video about this very workflow. I'll open up the Notion page for that idea. I'll have my raw thoughts there. Now I'll go to ChatGPT. I don't just ask it to write a script. That's a rookie mistake. You need to give it context. You need to give it a role. My secret is a custom prompt template. I start by telling ChatGPT its role. You are an expert YouTube scriptwriter specializing in educational content for solo entrepreneurs. Then I give it the context. My audience is busy, and they want actionable advice. The tone should be conversational, encouraging, and clear. Then I feed it the core idea and my raw notes from Notion. Finally, I give it a specific structure to follow. For a YouTube video, I'll ask for a hook, an introduction that states the problem and the solution, 3 to 5 main talking points with detailed explanations, and a strong call to action at the end. The result isn't a finished script, but a solid, well-structured first draft. It's like having a junior writer who does the heavy lifting for you. ChatGPT will generate the main points, find interesting angles, and lay it all out logically. It saves me hours of staring at a blank page. I then take this draft, put it back into the Notion page for that content idea, and start refining it. I inject my own voice, my personal stories, and my unique perspective. It gives you the skeleton. You provide the soul. But wait, it gets better. One core idea doesn't have to be just one piece of content. This is where the concept of repurposing comes in, and our system makes it incredibly easy. Let's stick with our YouTube video example. We have our polished script in Notion. Now I want to create an Instagram carousel, a series of tweets and a newsletter from it. Do I start from scratch? Absolutely not. I go to ChatGPT. I'll use a new prompt. You are a social media expert. Take the following YouTube script and repurpose it into 5 engaging slides for an Instagram carousel. Each slide should have a clear headline and concise body text. Boom! ChatGPT breaks down the key points into bite-sized, visual-friendly text. Next prompt. Now turn the main ideas from this script into a 3-tweet thread. Make it punchy and include relevant hashtags. Done. And finally, now expand on the introduction and conclusion of this script to create a short, personal newsletter. Add a conversational intro and closing. All of these repurposed content drafts get saved right back into our Notion Content OS, linked to the original pillar idea. I'll create new entries for the Instagram post and the tweets, select the right platform, and schedule them. Suddenly, one pillar idea, one research session, and one core script have multiplied into a week's worth of multi-platform content. This isn't just about working faster. It's about working smarter. You're maximizing the value of every single idea you have. Let's quickly recap the workflow. Step 1. Capture. All ideas go directly into your Notion Content OS, a master database with properties like status, pillar, and platform. Step 2. Plan. Use the database views in Notion, like the calendar or board view, to plan your content schedule and see your pipeline at a glance. Step 3. Create. Use a custom ChatGPT prompt to turn your raw idea into a structured first draft. Then, refine it with your own voice and expertise inside Notion. Step 4. Repurpose. Feed your finished script back to ChatGPT with specific prompts to atomize it into content for other platforms like Instagram, X, and your newsletter. This system has been a complete game changer for my business. It's taken the chaos out of content creation and replaced it with a calm, organized, and incredibly efficient process. It allows me, as a solo creator, to consistently show up on multiple platforms without burning out. And the best part? It's completely customizable to your own needs. You can add different properties, tweak the ChatGPT prompts, and build a workflow that fits your brand perfectly. So, stop letting your amazing ideas die in your Notes app. Start building your own content machine today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more systems to help you grow your business. See you in the next one.